In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your broadcast using Restream Studio. Whether you're prepping your audience with anticipation or giving yourself a moment to get ready, incorporating a countdown timer is a fantastic way to enhance your live streaming experience. Let's dive right into the steps and ensure you're all set for a smooth performance. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to your stream setup within Restream Studio. Once there, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface, where you'll find the option labeled Add Scene. Clicking on this will open a new window that allows you to decide the type of scene you wish to add. From the selection options available, choose Countdown as your scene type. Restream provides flexibility in this section, allowing you to choose from 3 different scene types, which include camera, media, or countdown. But for our purposes today, we're focused specifically on the countdown option because it adds a professional touch and sets the stage for your main content. With the countdown scene securely added, it's time to customize it to fit your style and needs. First, determine the duration of your timer. For example, you might set it for a full 5 minutes if you need a bit of a buffer, or perhaps just 10 seconds if you're looking for a brief pause before diving into your content. Now, let your creativity shine by picking a style or theme that aligns with your brand or the mood of your broadcast. Also, think ahead about the flow of your presentation and set how you want the countdown to transition into your live stream or onto the next scene. Next, it's essential to correctly position your countdown scene in your scene list. Ideally, you'd want this positioned at the very beginning of your broadcast. This ensures it's the first thing your audience sees, effectively building excitement and readiness for your show. If you're looking for seamless transitions, you may also choose to enable automatic transition to the next scene. This is a handy feature when you want the flow from countdown to broadcast to be as smooth as possible, without any manual intervention. When the time comes for you to go live, you'll want to start by switching directly to your countdown scene. This way, your viewers are immediately greeted with the timer, allowing them that brief moment to settle in or adjust their setup before the main content begins. As the timer runs out, smoothly transition into your main show scene, assuring that your audience's focus has been effortlessly captured and is now primed to engage with the primary content of your broadcast. And there you have it. By integrating a countdown timer into your live stream using Restream Studio, you're not only elevating the viewer experience, but also giving yourself a professional edge. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this helpful for your next live event.